Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
राजभवनात नवो दरबार हॉल ताळगावच्या श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियम उपरांत इंडोर 1000 लोकांच्या ताकीचो दुसऱ्या नंबराचो हॉल तातून मेन हॉल व्हीव्हीआयपी लॉन्जाकूय वेगळी सुवात प्रकल्पाचेर 18 कोटी खर्च उक्तावणाक उपराष्ट्रपती संसदेतल्या परिस्थितीचेर उलयलो लोकप्रतिनिधींक शिस्तीची 4 उतरां बौद्धिक आयकूंक सुवाळ्याक गोयचे बीजेपी वाले विरोधी पक्षपुढारी दिगंबर कामत आणि मगो टीएमसी वाले आशिल्ले सत्ते खातीर पाशयेस बाळगात जनमताचो आधार राखात म्हूण उपराष्ट्रपतीचो सल्लो.
And then if you don't like a government, you have to be patient. You can educate and agitate peacefully and wait for your turn. We must have patience to respect the mandate of the people. This should be borne in mind by all political parties. And for violence, physical violence should be totally avoided. I always say in Parliament and also in public speeches, you want to propose, let the government propose, let the opposition oppose, let the House dispose. Either you talk out or walk out. Don't allow break out of the institutions. This is my advice on this occasion to all the countrymen, to all the people across the country. See to it that we maintain standards, follow the ethics, and do justice to our duty, thereby doing justice to the people of the country.
नाव उल्लेख करिनासतना नायडून युक्रेनाच्या संघर्षाचो विषय काढलो आणि कम्युनिस्ट आणि त्यांच्या विचारवादाचेर बाणूय मारले.
With all its resources, we never attack anybody because we don't believe in terrorism. We don't believe in expansionism. We believe in survey and ask for the world. We are seeing what is happening around the globe. These expansionist ideas and the tensions created thereby and the conflicts that are occurring and misery happening to the people of that region. We should all really commit ourselves towards universal peace because peace is the prerequisite for progress.
राज्यपाल गोयच्या गावगिरे वाठार आणि या पर्यटनाचेर उलयलो.
Goa has covered more than 100 villages. You can say beautiful villages. Always tourism is concerned. According to my limited 7 months experience, only people are attracted to the city and the beaches. But our villages are concerned. On the basis of my experience, I can say that our villages are more beautiful than any other places, the town places.
18 कोटींचो हो दरबार हॉल प्रकल्प निर्धारित वेळेत तडीक लावपी अधिकाऱ्यांचो बहुमान या सुवाळ्यात झालो. नव्या सरकाराचो सोपूत विधी नव्या दरबारात. हो हॉल फक्त सरकारी कार्यावळी आणि सुवाळेच न्ही जाल्यार हेर कार्यावळींक मुक्त करपाविशीं राज्यपाल उलयला. प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी आणि तुळशीदास च्यारी.